Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2010 Honda CBR600RR. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear. It's only one owner from new, this bike. It does also come with a spare key in the pack. What we'll do, we'll start the front of the bike and we'll get a good look all the way around of it. Check the condition. It is in a nice bright gloss red and black. Really nice original bike, this one. It is low mileage as well for the year. Look at this, the tyres looking really good on it. It does have the combined ABS braking system on it. Let's get a look over on the left hand side. Get a good look at the condition of the plastics. Just a couple of little scuffs on there, low down. Look up at the side of the tank. Look at the chain and sprocket. Getting everything looking nice there. Let's get a look at the plastics on the side. And we'll have a look over the top and over the top of the tank. We'll move over to the back of the bike and look at the exhaust there. Really nice and neat, the exhaust on these. Tucked up behind the rear cowling. We'll move over to the right hand side. Do the same on this side. Get a good look all over it. Look at the swing arm and the rear brake. We'll finish up at the front wheel on this right hand side. And now what we'll do, we'll go and take a look up at the dash and get the exact mileage off it as well. Right, let's take a look at the controls. So pretty standard layout. You've got your front brake, kill switch, starter, throttle on this side. Then over on the other side, you've got the lights, hazards, indicators, horn, clutch on there. Let's turn this on, get the mileage off it. So it is low miles, it's only done 7,717 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.